It's your girl, Denise Joy. Welcome to another episode of Transformation for Your Home. Whether it's DIY or professional help, you can make your home a destination you'll love. Hey, good people. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Denise Joy, designer at the Furaha Method of Joyful Design. By the way, Furaha means joyful in Swahili. I'm thrilled that you're joining me today. When you get a chance, please hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps with the algorithms, and it helps me to reach women all over the globe. For this project, I took on a complete remodel of an unfinished basement. In this 1950s colonial, the homeowner wanted to turn the basement into usable space. With a growing family and lots of friends and family who like to come over, she wanted to turn this space into several usable zones. Using my design zone theory, I was able to create 6 zones, all with a distinct, unique purpose. Because the floor is cement, I decided to install vinyl plank flooring. This floor is durable, and just in case there's water, it will hold up well. I gave the client a couple of color options, and she chose this gorgeous light chocolate brown. For this full design service, as pieces would arrive, the client would snap a pic and text it to me so that everything was all ready for the installation day. Originally, we'd ordered a new sofa, but with delivery delays, it was taking quite some time, so the client decided to repurpose her existing sofa and accent chair. With the exception of the client's extensive art collection, everything else in the room was a new piece. When you're thinking about creating zones in a space, it's a great idea to draw everything out on a ground plan so you can decide exactly where everything needs to go. The first zone is that all-important entryway zone. Entryways are a great way to welcome you back home. Consider creating a place to put keys, mail, and to drop your shoes. The next zone is the stairwell wall gallery. Stairwells are a great place to create that wonderful art gallery feel in any home. Don't be afraid to add large pieces to fill a wall. It really adds drama. And group together smaller art pieces to create focal points of color and texture. The next zone is the kids zone with games and a reading nook. Oh, what fun it was to create this zone right here. Having a place to store games and cards and puzzles is a real lifesaver when you have an open concept room like this. And you don't need a ton of space. If you have space underneath your stairs like this, grab it and use it. This cozy reading nook is perfect for any aged child to grab a book, curl up, and get their read on. Don't you just love it? The next zone is the games and snack table zone. This area is wonderful, whether it's young children playing a game and having a snack, or the homeowner is throwing a card party or having an evening cocktail soiree. This small footprint tulip table is perfect in this room. I put 2 chairs at the table, and conveniently there are 2 chairs on the side. If there are more guests, the homeowner can just pull them up to the table. In the television watching zone, the homeowner wanted a feature wall. So instead of using paint, I convinced the homeowner to try one of my favorite wall coverings, grasscloth wallpaper. This is one of the tighter woven grasscloth wallpapers. This is called sisal, and it's in a gorgeous shade of paprika. What I love about this wall covering is there's lots of color variation. To create a relationship between the TV area and the entryway zone, I used 2 decorative wood wall coverings in a shade that was complementary to the wallpaper. On the other end of the room, we've got the TV watching zone, and grab an adult beverage and sit a while. For extra storage, the credenza underneath the television is wonderful for hiding extra games and toys, and for holding some of that equipment that you don't want to see. Another piece that will add extra storage to this room is this gorgeous chocolate-colored credenza. The detailing on the front adds another layer of texture to this room, and it's pretty deep, so it can hold lots of glasses, bottles, cups, plates, anything the homeowner would use when she's throwing a cocktail party. Keeping in mind my custom on a budget philosophy, for the windows, I chose Lowe's rattan blinds cut to size. This is a wonderful cost savings for a high-end look. This is a basement with traditional windows, so there's not a lot of natural light. Keeping that in mind, I chose a shade of white for the wall color to keep everything light, open, and airy. This homeowner loves to have gatherings, so I was mindful to make sure there was adequate seating. The wall area above the sofa was oddly shaped and off-center. So rather than place traditional art, I chose these woven baskets to add texture and an element of nature in the room. This room has a warm and welcoming feel. That's done through choosing both warm and cool tones in the space. I used pops of color through the artwork, pillows, the lamps, and the decor. Since this homeowner loves to entertain, she used a previously unused space and turned it into a bar zone. This is a reminder that any space can be considered usable space. There's plenty of room for extra storage for items to entertain with and to have a bar service there. Down this hallway, I actually also designed the bathroom laundry room combo. Let's check it out. This bathroom is super convenient when friends and family stop by or when the homeowner is throwing a cocktail party. So tell me, what's your favorite zone? Let me know in the comment section below. What a dope-nificent project! And remember, you can never go wrong when you turn unusable space into usable space and increase your home property value. If you enjoy HGTV style shows, be sure to check out my show, DIY DUO Redesign, here on my channel. It's full of custom on a budget wow factor. The link to the show is in the description box below. Thanks so much for stopping by my channel. I really appreciate it. Please don't forget, hit the like and the subscribe button. It helps me reach women all over the globe. I'll see you in the next video.